Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki V-Strom 650 Adventure. This is the ABS version, V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 2,356 miles. This showroom condition V-Strom 650 just arrived. Beautiful condition. It's got the Suzuki side cases. That's the Adventure model. Come on by. Make your V-Strom dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.